Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Rajkumar's Learning App. Myself Subramanya. In this session, we shall have a discussion on situation reaction test. Let's move on to our topic. Tips to solve situation reaction test. First tip, don't be imaginary, be realistic in your responses. While taking the reactions or while giving the reactions, your wishes should not be in a imaginary. First one. Second one, keep your responses brief but complete to the point and sharp. Whatever the reaction you are giving, it should be at the point and it should be a sharp reaction. Third one, give meaningful responses that make sense. Your response should be sensible. Fourth one, don't give incomplete sentences while responding as they show lack of responsibility. If you do not complete the sentence, it will show you are irresponsible, right? It shows that you are irresponsible. So don't give incomplete sentences. Fifth one, don't be panic in your response to the situation. Whatever the situation may be, you should not act panic. Sixth one, do not forget your ethical and moral responsibilities towards the society and towards the victim. This is one of the most important point to solve these kind of situation. What it is, do not forget your ethical and moral responsibilities towards the society as well as towards the victim. What it is, how to act, we shall study now in detail. Okay. And the last one, don't spend too much time in thinking out the reaction. Right? These are the tips to be followed for solving situation reaction test. Now, how to apply these tips, we shall study in detail. Okay. Coming to the first problem, while traveling in a train, you notice a man from the coach behind yours fall off the train. You would. The options are A. Pull the alarm chain so that train may stop and man be helped. Second one, shout at the falling man asking him to get up quickly and entrain. Jump off the train to assist the falling man. Fourth one, wait till the train stops at the next station and inform the railway authorities there. These are the four reactions. We need to choose from the four alternatives which is the best reaction for this situation. The hint is, don't forget your ethical and moral responsibilities towards the society and towards the victim. While dealing with these kind of situation, you should not forget your moral and ethical responsibilities towards the society and towards the victim. In this type of situation, your reaction should be very quicker, following the moral and ethical values towards the victim, and you should not danger your life on rescuing the some other's life. You should not danger your life also. So the right option is option A. Okay. Pulling the alarm chain so that the train may stop and the man may be helped, so that you won't be in a danger situation and the one who is in danger may also be helped. Problem number 2. You are living in a college hostel. The dal served to you in the mess has a lot of stones. The first option is leave eating the dal altogether. Second option, bringing the matter to notice of mess in charge. Third one, speak to the cook about the changing the dal. Buy your own dal and cook it in your own room. Taking the first option, leave eating the dal altogether. If you leave eating the dal, you will be the loser, right? And the situation don't change. So you should not do that. You should not speak to the cook because he may disagree your argument and he may refuse to change the dal. So you should not speak directly to the cook also, right? Buying your own dal and cook yourself isn't very expensive and burden to yourself every day. So the right option here is you should bring the matter to the notice of mess in charge. This is the right feasible option you can do on this situation. Bringing the matter to the notice of mess in charge so that he will take action upon the one who is cooking and he may take action on changing the dal which is containing the stones. So the right option is bringing the matter to the notice of mess in charge. Reason, don't hesitate to react the socio-problematic situation which is basic right of everyone to get a nutritious food by informing the concerned official or authority. You should not take decision yourself. Okay, you should inform to the concerned official or concerned authority who is responsible for looking after all those activities. Coming to the next problem, problem number 3. You are alone in the house. There is a quite danger of thieves around. Just then you hear a knock at the door. You would, right? Where there is a danger situation in the house and you are only person who is living inside the house and you hear a knock at the door, what would you do? They are asking. Okay. First one, open the door to see who is there. Second one, first peep out from the window to confirm whether you know the person. Third one, not open the door. Fourth one, asking the servant to see who is there. Let's see the hint. Do not demonstrate panic in your response to the situation and act sensibly or responsibility. And this situation, what you need to do is, first you need to peep out from the window, right? In danger situation, you should not open the door. First you need to peep out from the window whether the person who is standing over there you know or not. Then only you should open the door. The right option is option B. Coming to the next problem. You are interviewed for a new job. Which of the following question is most important for you? Opportunities for promotion, remuneration you will be paid, scope to develop your new ideas, to use them to improve the working of organization, and all the above. What is the best reaction they are asking? While switching the job, every aspect plays a very important role. You should not neglect any of the aspects. While switching over a new job, whatever the things they have quoted now, opportunities, remuneration and scope to develop, all these acts as a prime most important. So the reaction for this problem is all the above are equally important. Why? Because let's see the hint. While seeking a better job, opportunities, remuneration and your talent acts as a prime most important. Answer D. Problem number 5. You are playing in a friend's house. When he gets stuck with a naked electric wire, what do you do? The options are hold him by the arms and try to set him free, hold the wire and pull it away, pull off the wire with a wooden stick, send for the doctor. In this situation, rescuing without harming your life is the prime most priority, right? When your friend is in danger, rescuing him without harming your life is your first most priority. So let's go through the options. Hold him by the arms and try to set him free. You should not do that because you may also get electric shock because of movement of current. Okay, you should not do first one. Hold the wire and pull it away. The same way too. You should not touch the wire and pull it away, as you may also get the same shock. Okay, third one. Pull off the wire with a wooden stick. You can do this one. As wood is a bad conductor of electricity, it will resist the current flow. So you can pull off the wire with a wooden stick and resist the current flow. And sending for a doctor is a secondary thing. But rescuing becomes the prime most important. So this is not a quicker reaction. So the better option for this kind of situation is pull off the wire with a wooden stick. Let's see the hint now. Rescuing him with safety precaution without harming yourself is your first action for this kind of situation. So the right option for this kind of situation is answer C. Coming to the next problem. Problem number 6. You are passing by a river and you know a swimming. Suddenly you hear the cry of a drowning child. You would dive into the river to save him, wait to see if some other person is there to help, look for professional divers, console the child parents. Okay, what the hint to be followed, we shall check now. Rescuing him first with safety precaution without harming your life is your first action for this kind of situation. As you know swimming, you can save the life of the child who is drowning and should not danger your life is the first most priority for this kind of situation, and this will be the more quicker action for this kind of reaction. So the right option is option A. Coming to the next problem. Problem number 7. You are the guest at dinner. The host asks you to take one more chapati after your stomach is full. What would you do in that kind of situation? In this kind of situation, what is the hint to be followed? Let's check now. Give meaningful and polite responses that make your reaction feel conveyable sensibly. In this kind of situation, you need to say politely that food was too good. You need to compliment the food and then you should say you have already eaten much. That is the best feasible idea that you can do in this kind of situation. So the good response for this kind of situation is answer C. When moving on to our next problem. Problem number 8. You are driving your car on the road when you hit against the fruit vendor's cart. What would you do? Okay, the options are escape from the site by driving away, abuse the fruit vendor by putting his cart on the way, pay the fruit vendor for the damages done to him, and insist that it was not your fault. Okay, in this kind of situation, don't forget your ethical and moral values towards the society and also towards the victim. You should not escape from the situation, right? You should not abuse the fruit vendor. As it is our mistake, we should bear the damages caused from our side. Okay, so the best option is pay the fruit vendor for the damages done to him. The option is answer C. Moving on to a next problem. Problem number 9. While traveling in a train, you observed some college students pulling the alarm chain simply to get down at their desired point. In that situation, what is the best possible act you can do is what they are asking. First one is, with the help of some other passengers, check them from doing so. Second one, let them pull the chain but check them for detaining. Inform the guard of the train as soon as it stops. Fourth one, keep quiet and do nothing. This is a very important note. Please be noticed. When you are in a public gathering place, going through some annoying situation, don't act independently or else don't act solely. You should take the help of other passengers to defend the situation. Okay, you should not act solely because there may be some unlike-minded peoples and they may disagree your argument. So in this kind of situation, when you are in a public gathering, you should not act independently. You should take the help of some other passengers who is like-minded and then you need to defend the situation. Right? What is the best possible option here? With the help of some passengers, check them from doing so is the best option for this answer. The right option for this kind of situation is option A. Next problem. Problem number 10. Your friend is not invite you to his marriage party, right? Your friend has not invited you to the marriage party is the condition. In such condition, they are asking what would you do? First option, hold it against him. Second option, attending the ceremony. Third option, sending him the best wishes. And fourth one, ignoring the whole affair. Hint, don't give lethargic reaction while responding as they show lack of responsibility. In this kind of situation, don't be lethargic, right? What are the best possible reaction? We shall check it out now. Okay, hold it against him. Note, right? This is not a feasible action because you should not do tit for tat for this kind of situation, right? Attending the ceremony, right? Without invitation, you should not attend the ceremony. It is not a fruitful or feasible idea. So attending the ceremony, right, is the not a feasible reaction for this kind of situation. Sending him the best wishes, right? Acting sensibly is a best very good response for this kind of situation. So you can send them the best wishes regarding their marriage party. So this is the best option I can do in this kind of situation. So the right answer for this kind of situation is option C. Coming to the next question. While attending your friend's party, you see the friend's muffler catching fire from the candle on the table behind him. What would you do in this kind of situation? Option A, ask your friend to see behind him. Second one, rush to call your friend's mother. Third one, rush and taking out the muffler from his neck, drop it and pour water on it. Fourth one, taking the muffler and throw it away. Hint to be followed is rescuing him first and say with safety precaution without harming yourself. Please note, you should not harm yourself on rescuing the one who is in danger. Is the first one most prior reaction you should be given in this kind of situation. Let's see the options now. Ask your friends to see behind him. By the time of conveying, the fire may catch highly. So, you should not try to convey, but you should act to the situation. Rushing to call friend's mother. Rushing to call friend's mother is a baseless idea. You should not do that. And the fourth one, taking the muffler and throw it away. Taking the fired muffler and throwing it away may lead to catch fire in some other area. So you should not do that also. So the best feasible action what act upon in this kind of situation is rush and take the muffler from his neck, drop it and pour water on it. So the right option for this question is option C. Problem number 12. You are playing football in a park. When you kick the ball, it strikes and breaks the window pane of a nearby house. In that situation, what's the reaction you would follow? They are asking. The options are demand your ball back from the house owner. Second one, say that it was not your fault. Third one, stealthily get your ball back. Fourth one, apologize to the house owner and contribute to replace the glass, right? What's the hint to be followed? We shall check it now. Don't forget your moral and ethical values towards the society and towards the victim is the best idea that we can follow in this kind of situation. While checking on the option, we have demand your ball back from the house owner. As it is your mistake, you should not demand, right? In that situation, you should ask politely. You should not demand from the house owner as it was your mistake, right? Breaking down their glasses is your mistake. So you should not demand in that kind of situation. You should ask politely. Say that it was not your fault, but actually the glass is broken. That situation you can't claim that it was not your fault. Third one, stealthily get your ball back. You should not use your muscle power. Stealthily means you should not use your muscle power to get the ball back in that kind of situation. Fourth one, apologize to the house owner and contribute the replace the glass, right? This is the feasible idea that we can follow in this kind of situation, right? In this kind of situation, please remember, you should not demand, right? You should not say it was not your fault, right? You should not use your muscle power, but you can apologize the house owner and politely you can get your ball back by paying them the losses. So these are the questions you need to concentrate on while preparing situation reaction test. Thank you.